That's almost $400 worth of stuff for what I paid for. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful and a lovely day. So it's been a few weeks since I've uploaded anything, and I apologize for that. I've been super stressed out with work. Some things went down and I had to focus all my attention on it, but everything is smoothed out now and I can once again go back to making videos, so I'm super happy. But on the bright side, during these 4 weeks, my hand has healed up. It's still technically injured, but I can use it now. I can move my fingers. I can't lift anything really over 5 pounds right now, but hey, at least it doesn't, have a tensor bandage on. Woo! Anyhow, now that that's out of the way, let's get back to the video. Today, we're going to be unboxing FabFitFun's Summer 2019 box. Ooh. I'm really excited to see what's in this box, and this is gonna be my second box from them, so my expectations were brought so high with my first box. It was absolutely amazing. So I hope this box keeps the streak going. And I also ordered a couple extra things from FabFitFun. Check out what those goodies are in my next video. I'm going to be going through the items, their full price, the price I bought them for, and then my total savings. So it's gonna be a fun little video, so keep your eyes open for that. So a quick review of what FabFitFun is. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, so you get it during the springtime, the summertime, the fall time, and the winter time. It comes with full-size items, so not travel size, full-size items, and it comes in a variety of beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle. So you get a little bit of everything, and everything's high-end. It's $49.99 US, and it's about $70-ish Canadian. And it comes with over $200 plus worth of items. So for the price you're paying, you get a lot of stuff for it. So I think it's worth it. You also get to customize some of your items, up to 3 items in the box. If you go for the higher up subscription, I think you get to pick all your items, but I only have the lower end subscription, so I only get to pick out 3, but I'm okay with that. Anyhow, let's get to it. Let's open the FabFitFun Summer 2019 box. Woo! I need something to open this with. Ha! I got it. I'll let you guys see first. Ooh. Ooh. So we have their little magazine catalog thing that comes with it. And we're going to go through this later because it talks about what all the different items are. But we're going to go through the actual box first. Oh, and this is funny. I mentioned in the first video, you get one of these like little gift cards for this like easy home, like easy meals, healthy meals thing. And like I said, I really appreciate this HelloFresh discount, but we can't use this service where I live. And this is even more than the first card. The first card I got was only for $50. This one's for $80. So it's a shame I can't use it, but thank you anyways, FabFitFun. Okay, I'm super excited. I'm not even gonna look, I'm gonna show you guys first. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's see. I'm a little apprehensive, but let's get to it. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna pull out is Intelligent Nutrients, Plant Stem Cell Science, Refining Micro Polish. This super fine polish gently exfoliates with plant jojoba beads. Cool, okay, so yeah, it's definitely a exfoliator with plant stem cell science. That looks pretty nice. 3.4 fluid ounces, so that's not too bad. No animal testing, I always like that. Hopefully they don't use third-party affiliates to do the testing, because then they can still legally be animal cruelty free, but they still get other people outside of their company to test it. It's a murky business. It's a murky business. But hopefully this is, absolutely no animal testing. But I'm pretty happy with that. Next we have Generation Clay with Davidson Plum Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Refine, brighten, illuminate, nurture. Oh, cool. And once again, cruelty free. I like that. I'm actually really excited to use that ultraviolet clay. Let's see, I'm gonna open it. I want to smell it. Smells, oh, it does smell like plum. It totally smells like plum. That's really nice. I'm gonna use this later tonight. And in it, there is 3.97 fluid ounces. So that's pretty good. So 100 grams. Cool. Oh, this is funny. I needed this. I think FabFitFun is listening into my conversations because this is like something I really needed. Okay, this is Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals Coconut Milk Verbena Exfoliating Foot Mask. It soothes and softens and intensely hydrates your feet. So exfoliate, polish, and renew your dry heels and feet with this exquisite foot mask. Remove those stubborn calluses and dry skin while moisturizing and healing. Trade those pumice stones for this easy to use formula that will surely knock you off your feet. I'm super excited for this. I won't go into detail, but I have been that type of person ever since I was a child to not wear socks, and my feet have built up a resistance. Let's just say I can walk on stones and it doesn't really hurt. And my boyfriend's laughing at me from the other room because he knows exactly what I'm talking about.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So let's see if this actually does what it's supposed to do. I might actually do a before and after picture and post it on my Instagram so that people can actually see whether it works or not, because my feet are going to be a prime example for a before and after picture. So we shall see. Oh my god! You can smell it when you take it out of the box. It's so fragrant and it smells really pretty. Papain and willow bark extract, pumpkin seed extract, orange fruit and lemon seed, black tea leaf, and bromelium. Bromelium? I'm butchering that, so some sort of weird other thing. Cool! Pretty. I like the container. And once again, cruelty free. I like that. So there's 74 mils, so 2.5 fluid ounces. So I'm pretty happy with that. I am pretty pleased with this box so far. My sister gets the same box and she wasn't very happy with hers. She said it was lackluster compared to the last one. So it made me really apprehensive, but I think we must have gotten obviously different surprise items. And I'm guessing maybe she just got items she didn't like, but I am liking everything I'm getting right now, so, well, I guess, I'm more pleased with my box than my sister seems to be with hers, but that's okay. So next we have a spray. It's a all-day spray, from Grace and Stella. It's called Spray All Day Rose Spray, Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Okay, cool. Wow, this is a lot more and way bigger than I was anticipating. I know it comes with full size, but sometimes even full size can be small for high-end things. But no, this gives you a really very big amount, actually. Like, the amount that comes in this is actually surprising. Let's give it a little spray and test. It smells really nice. It smells so good. I really like that, and it feels really refreshing, so I definitely approve this. And there's 8.11 fluid ounces, so that's pretty decent. Next we have, so this is a necklace, I do know that. This is the third item I do believe I picked. Comes with a really nice little bag. I forget what this necklace looks like though. Oh, that's pretty. Little stars. It's just a simple little gold chain with stars. Yeah, for the third option, like, not to diss FabFitFun, but I wasn't a fan for a lot of the third options. I remember not even really being super excited for this, but it was the best out of what they had. They did have really nice silicone pink wine glasses, which I was so tempted to get, but I don't need more reason to drink. You know, at least with a glass wine glass, you don't really want to bring it outside or to the park or something, or out to a picnic. These silicone wine glasses just opened up so much opportunity for wine drinking at the park and whatnot. So I decided to stay away from that for my health. You know, you gotta look out for your health sometimes. So yeah, I got the necklace and I'm pretty happy with that. Still not super excited about it, but still very nice. So next we have, designed in Germany, Invisa Bauble, the traceless hair ring. Okay, so it's just those like ouchless ponytails, clear and nude. Traceless, high wearing comfort, hair loving, strong grip, non-soaking, updo tool. We'll try these out, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with these. Next we have, it's called Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. Stops frizz and lightly conditions. So it's a styling cream. Oh, it looks really nice. Oh, crap. I was not expecting that to come out like that. Well, it smells nice. I got it all over my hands. Oops. Yeah, basically it's just an anti-frizz styling cream. Because I have bleached ends, I really need anti-frizz products, so I'm just actually gonna add this to my hair. Whatever. Don't want it to go to waste. Hopefully this does the job. Cool. And there is 4.0 fluid ounces in this, so that's not too bad. Next we have, this was the first item I picked. It's a kimono, a little summertime kimono. Yeah. That's pretty. Let's try it on. Okay. Well, it's comfy. I have to say it's really soft, which I like. And it seems very airy, so hopefully it actually keeps me cool. You know, it's supposed to be one of those type of like kimono overcoats that stays breezy and helps you stay cool. So we'll see if it actually does the job. I approve this. And lastly, we have, this was one of the other items, I think the second item I picked. And I am really excited for this. The value of this was like over $100, and so I'm really excited, and I love face masks, so woo! This is a set of 5. It's called 111 Skin, Harley Street, London, and it's rose gold brightening facial treatment masks. Diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten and even skin tone. Reinforces and protects skin barrier function. Rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. Ooh. I was super excited when I saw this was an option because I use so many face masks. It's absolutely ridiculous. I'm obsessed with them. And I'm really excited. I've never actually used gold infused ones, so I'm excited. Ooh, and those are nice. I really like the packaging of it. Pretty. And that's everything. That's everything in the box. We're all done with that. So we're gonna quickly go through the catalog. Let's see what the full total of our box is. Okay, what's in the box? I got 1D. It's called the Spiritual Gangster Maya Kimono. The value of this is $60. And we also have the rose gold brightening facial masks. $160 value. So $160 for these masks usually. I bet these are gonna be beautiful. The next thing I got was the Jennifer Zuner Star Double Necklace, and that was $50. Oh, so that's pretty impressive. I was not expecting this to be $60 and this to be worth $50, so I'm already pretty impressed with that. And then next, 4B, Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. Check. And that was worth $28. Okay, cool. So then I got the Intelligent Nutrient Plant Stem Cell Micro Polish, which is $57. Cool. Then I got the Invisibobble Original Duo Pack. So these are $16. And then the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Clay Mask, Purple Clay Mask, was $39. And the Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray was $25.95. And the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask, check, was $32. That's pretty good. Oh, I gotta add that all up. Those are some pretty high prices. Let's see what the total of my box is valued at then. So we have, oh my god, I thought my box last time was good. I had almost $300 worth of stuff. I got $467.95 worth of stuff. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. I was not expecting the whole box to be worth that much. Like, and I paid 70-ish bucks. I think I paid like $72 for my box in Canadian. That's almost $400 worth of stuff for what I paid for. Like, damn, that's an amazing value. Almost $500 worth of stuff in my box. Thank you, FabFitFun. I have to say that this box has definitely earned my stamp of approval. Not just one stamp, double stamp of approval. I'm really impressed with this box. Well, that's everything. We've gone through it all. We've gotten the price of the value of the box, which was absolutely amazing. All in all, I mean, there are some things I was a little lackluster about in the customization option, and it led me to believe I wasn't gonna like this box as much, but I should never doubt before, it actually happens, because I ended up absolutely loving this box. The only thing I guess I could complain about was still the one customization with like the wine glasses and the necklace and stuff. It was just kind of boring, and though the necklace is beautiful, I'd almost think that maybe if they're gonna give necklaces, you should have the option of picking from maybe a style, like a couple different styles, so you get a necklace that you really like. Just a little, critique there. Other than that, I am totally happy. With this box, the fall box has some high expectations to meet, so we'll have to see what comes in the next fall box. Thank you everybody for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I'd like to know what you guys think of the FabFitFun box. Would you be willing to get it for that much stuff? Do you think it's, not worth your while knowing you might not like everything in the box? I'd love to know your opinions down below. And hey, if you want to like this video, maybe subscribe and hit that notification bell. It's always appreciated. Your support is appreciated to the moon and back. Thanks for watching everybody, and I hope y'all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!
Yeah, you told me the other day you'd be coming back today, but you didn't. Oh no. There's much that I can do, really far being us two.